My name's Alex Weicker, and I'm the owner and principal attorney at Amigos Immigration Law and Services. I've helped hundreds of individuals with their immigration problems throughout the years, and today I would like to talk to you a little bit about how to travel if your conditional permanent residence card, conditional green card, has expired or is going to expire. So if you are a conditional permanent resident, that means that you've been issued a 2-year temporary card, and that towards the end of that 2-year period, you need to file to get those conditions removed. So your first step is you need to file your petition to remove the conditions within that 90-day window before your 2-year card expires. Assuming you have done that, you will be issued a receipt notice that will extend your green card for a period of time. The period of time is extended because the processing times for the petition to remove the conditions is taking longer and longer. It's currently over 2 years. So your receipt notice, which is an I-797, will extend your green card for a period of time. It used to be 12 months, then it was 18 months, and right now it is 24 months. As long as you travel within the validity period of that extension and you carry your original green card and the original receipt notice extending that status with your valid passport, you should be okay to travel internationally during that period of extension. Do not carry a copy of the receipt notice or a copy of your green card. You want to carry the originals. Now, in some situations, the processing to remove the conditions is taking longer than the extension is provided, or maybe you didn't file an extension or there's some other situation that you're dealing with. In this circumstance, what you need to do is you need to get what is called an ADIT stamp, an ADIT stamp, also known as an I-551 stamp. This is a stamp that will show proof of your lawful permanent residence status. It's issued by USCIS usually. Sometimes you can get it in an overseas office at a US consulate. In order to get an ADIT stamp, you need to have, obviously, you need to be in valid status or have a way of showing that you're in valid status. And you need to make an appointment. You can make an appointment with USCIS by calling their hotline at 1-800-375-5283 or online via Ask Emma. Okay, just do a little search for USCIS Ask Emma and the webpage should come up. You can use both those interfaces to make what is called an InfoPass appointment. And through the InfoPass appointment, you can get your ADIT stamp. They'll tell you what you need to bring, but usually you're going to need to bring a valid passport for them to put the stamp in. Or if you don't have a valid passport, you're going to have to bring 2 passport-style photographs. You're also going to need to bring proof of your status. That should about do it. And if you have a valid ADIT stamp, you should be able to travel internationally with that as long as you're traveling again during the validity period of the ADIT stamp. Now, if you're stuck abroad and you have the ADIT stamp and they're still not allowing you to board the plane to come back home, in that situation, you may need to apply for what is called a boarding foil to return home. You're going to have to apply for that by filing Form I-131A and paying the fee and taking the documents required to the local US consulate or embassy. Thank you for your time, and welcome to the United States.